I've always loved trucks since I was a kid. Something I've grown up around them, just love them.
Yeah.
So just always wanted to drive them since I was a little kid. Hi, my name's Josh Argumaniz. I work for Hammett Excavation up in Dodge City, Texas. I haul a lot of sand and gravel, pull this end up every day.
How long have you been driving?
A little over 2.5 years, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
How old are you now?
I'm 20.
Okay.
60, 21.
Just can't quite cross state lines
Not
yet.
It's a 2016 389 glider. It's got a 6NZ cat, 18-speed behind it.
Okay. And how many miles does it have on it?
623,000, I think.
Okay.
I've had the truck for 4 or 5 years, and it's got a 12-gauge air ride, 12-gauge drop panels, Dynaflex stacks, and T-bar fenders on the truck and trailer, custom made in our shop. And pretty much everything done on it, was done in-house.
Was it yellow when you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of yellow, but I like this truck.
Yeah.
This one stands out.
Y'all recently did a rebuild on it?
Yes, sir. Got into an accident with it back in January. Pretty much from the hood back, everything's brand new.
Okay.
So, brand new trailer, 2025 Mac. Pretty much just want to keep it a simple, clean truck. Don't want to overdo yellow too much.
Yeah.
So, had the tanks wrapped, had the fenders wrapped, and front and rear T-bar in the truck painted, the yellow stripe painted on there. But everything else is pretty much how they bought it.
Yeah.
Just done our little touches here and there with it.
All right. Have y'all done anything with the interior, or is it pretty much stock?
It's got little stuff, but it's majority it's stock.
Okay.